Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle ka.
This particle is often referred to as the question particle because it usually comes at the end of a sentence and turns it into a question. Unlike question sentences in English, when a statement becomes a question in Japanese, the word order stays the same. Let's see how it functions in a sentence. Risa, how do you say Ken is Japanese?
ケンは日本人です。
So to ask, is Ken Japanese?
All you have to do is add ka at the end of the sentence.
ケンは日本人ですか?
It's very simple, but be sure to use rising intonation. Let's hear it again.
ケンは日本人ですか?
In English, you have to change the word order. For example, Ken is Japanese changes to is Ken Japanese? But in Japanese, you don't have to do that.
Just add ka to the sentence.
Let's do one more example. How do you say Ken can speak Japanese?
ケンは日本語ができます。
And to ask, can Ken speak Japanese?
ケンは日本語ができますか?
Now, those sentences that we just gave were all formal sentences. How about informal sentences?
It's a little bit different. You just add no at the end of the sentence in plain form.
For example, クミは英語がわかる becomes クミは英語がわかるの? So people often use no instead.
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
今夜予定がありますか?
Do you have any plans tonight?
日本は初めてですか?
Is this your first time in Japan?
イタリア料理は美味しいですか?
Is Italian food delicious? This particle can also indicate alternatives.
It comes after choices. We often omit the last ka.
It corresponds to or in English. Let's see how it functions in a sentence.
紅茶かコーヒーが飲みたいです。
This means, I want to drink tea or coffee. Let's break it down. First we have,
紅茶かコーヒー。
this means tea or coffee. Notice how the particle comes after the first choice. Following that, we have the particle that marks an object of desire.
が
Finally, we have the verb in the tai form, which expresses desire.
飲みたいです。
Let's take a look at a few more examples with the same particle used as an alternative marker.
車かバイクで広島に行きたいです。
I would like to go to Hiroshima by car or bike.
明日か明後日荷物が届きます。
The parcel will arrive tomorrow or the day after tomorrow.
紅茶か緑茶かコーヒーがあります。
There's tea, green tea, or coffee. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
か
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
も
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!